And then the other one too, lycée bilingue de Deido, Pekin de don't study for Djengu, Pekin de don't study for Djengu for lycée bilingue de Deido, this country people them. Then we'll talk about this matter happen for Mabanda Day. Mabanda na wait to take place for Mabanda na situation for picking with the kidnap them, the chief picking, put in some motor car and go. They don't go take them suited for place where they call them. See now for village, the country people them who could talk about cinquantenaire for Boya Day where they so Bena Okalia Bilai don't vex past Maxo country people. Then we'll talk to about this other situation for banker. Yes, Mary the banker after Monsieur le Maire be die, so you never get new Monsieur le Maire. They don't put new one. They will name na Bena Jega country people them. Then we'll go talk about SDO for Bafang and then Mimbo Man with insecurity they plenty too. General Blegoudé, General de la Rue, et it don't happen with you, don't capture you for Accra, Ghana country people them. That situation that way they happen for inside Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television to read in. Assalamu alaikum for all Muslims them where they get for join me. It's more time for make prayer for mosque for Modibo, Massa talk country people them. May we start with saying story for today. If you hear sheep goat, the shout plenty. That means that the draki go for abattoir. Same story for today. If you hear sheep goat, it cry plenty. That means that they for draki go tam go cut your neck. Thank you plenty for this one country people. Them na Umaru Saudian for Valley Bisingedi. And supporting come from you Tria Swebu for inside downtown Aqua country people in Tankuna so sincerely. Mais on a tourné notre talk with lycée bilingue de Deido today. Wonderful palaver. Na the way we come out to country people them. Small girl they fall Djengu as a palaver trans for inside school them. It don't happen for lycée bilingue Deido today. Na this. I say wonderful palaver look at the hold them. Carry them for try for go town. Place where they call them Sewiti. Say this so na chapter. For that situation, for that side chapter, for put them inside this matter for taxi day, for go time for hospital, they do this for country people them about the issue and about the situation for lycée bilingue, they do after they get the fall jingle, fall trans for dinner, the shake for that side, they call them for kind people them for lycée bilingue do. They do this one, and then that with the Russian now for go time for place with the column. So it is this one chapter situation for hospital for this matter in so country people them wonderful institution and wonderful palavra and the two girls and they fall today for lycée bilingue de Deido and sitting happen when they talk about time for this shoot them so they take and go time for hospital they so continue that to go the Russian for go time for hospital this so it takes place now front lycée bilingue de Deido picking the run the fall study for Djengu for this country people as soon as get time when they talk about inside this matter inside this kind situation them for this country people they talk take them turn with time for Russian go time for hospital de Deido they should do all thing for that and all the matter in so country people them it happen now for this bilingual grammar school for Deido the Russian say would foot for take them reach for hospital this country people our hospital they do just for corner the situation that will just happen now so for lycée bilingue de Deido country people them we go from Mabanda talk about the matter for kidnapping now some boy we say they say family they no want pay money it takes small picking for 4 years old country people them like this they last go catching for village now the small picking they don't take for yan wonderful kind matter wonderful palaver. I say about this speaking this they don't take it. How we know say na cousin na tong. They carry go na family this na don't want see this woman they take the picking. Other one the population want finish with it. And say don't come off the village. Come now. Do it. They would have no one give money till they put the picking for mal for the boy for back boot. he set aside for Mabanda Day to talk about the issue and the palaver them so country people them. Wonderful can look at the bodies don't come near. He's sleepy, he say this will not get time. Other one they say hate not the select better the colo, so can wait for the country people them. But they say no understand how he managed carry picking from Mabanda, so they go Vamus. Now 2 days after when they meet up with that picking, it's in a command. So they be giving command, make it come, they repeat command for that safe place where they call them. So now for village day, better put on take Tokyo, boom, run them to the Vamus for this country people them. So the point that they put in after say the blocking make population not touch until Kamamburu them come out for commissariat 5e. Come for the with intervention rapid now can take the point for Mabanda. They will go now for remain for Bonaberi, talk security for Bonaberi country people them na camion them for Kang camion and Kang Sabre where they say they must go. Now this. I said the cat let's where they call them say so caterpillar them and then the go them for can camion. There they call them say so can camion or can sable place na for bon na perre this so country people them. And how the thing and the station can't happen for them. And the matter with probably they say Monsieur le Préfet Nassiri Paul Beya, they don't decide to all them so they must come up for them. How if they don't first give them deadline they no go. Maybe say now he say for the last day for this moon they inside so. If they no go, now they trouble. Sanction will go there will be a wonderful one. So now enough for can camion for the place where they call and say can camion, can sable for place where they call and say Bonaberi, this country people them. Now they will all the trouble and all the rebuild them come they happen for Bonaberi. They will come out Bonaberi, go for Boyawe, governor for the way they don't first hold that situation for camion them for Douala here. Then now Okalia Bilai don't knock hand for table. He said, no, you don't too much. He go lock set by sous-préfet them. He go lock set by Abeka them. All them lock them. For Palaba 50, they will never respect code for this kind of student. Country people deny this. Then don't have this. Every day inside there, they talk about the matter and so country people them. So go touch them wonderful one. Explain them how it is so inside all the situation them. The people don't take contract, take money from Gomna, and they enter Sisongo. Mbano. Say no go happen to. Say it no go happen so. So all them look them say they should not do with the cravat. They say, oh, that means not Ngata. We'll go for Ngata. So APV go take away for this matter so country people. Then man, we buy number 3 month for this year with the inside. He never solve his own problem. Make it just sabi say na ololo. Make it just sabi say na ololo country people. So he say he go teacher them wonderful kind thing. They say okay, how we they so always on be na a republic. Any man do how we like them for that side so contribute them. Wonderful constitution, wonderful power. Kamam Guru they be there for the Ndungamen and can they be there for this so contribute. They talk say okay, as they talk say na so okay so be so now for this kind of issue and this matter them for this so country people them wonderful kind situations happen for they we ask them for una 1 year or no one see reaction for Oga gouverneur Be Okari Be na Okalia e delay. Chapter 1. Now it is. The minister even myself cannot the contractors. If they refuse to come, you report it to me. I will arrest them. Yes, you will say that there is one we are looking for. The famous contractor, invisible, who is doing the work there at Parliamentary Hotel. You ask me, is governor why have you not arrested him? He will be arrested. It is not a joke. It's not a threat. He will be arrested. Because the head of state said it. We are representing the head of state. The head of state said that job should stop. Who do you want to implement the head of state decisions? Okay. Before. For the second one, country people, them na the way they say do now worst one pass mark with the big grammar for Bena Okalia Bilai. Chapter 2, country people. Now this. Before the next meeting, the contract exists to maintain that road, to do this, to do that. Contractors are there, but they are playing. Yes, we have not been paid, we have not. But it is not, we are not the one to pay the contractors, but we are there to take care that they are doing their work. So I want you all, the senior division, do what you have to do. If it is above you, report to me. If it is above me, we report to the minister. What name? I had the name. It is who? Joe Konawata. But the man is here at the Konawata down there. Go down to him and convoke him. Next week I'll be in Cuba. We'll go on the field. If the work is not done, you should forget about many things. Ngomna, don't talk. Ngomna, don't talk. Ukuna for that side for banker na for bafangde na de way they so monsieur le maire be don't die country people them and Mary for banker be they orphan like how we Mary for Yaoundé too that side for Abeka Theophile it will be die so country people but now they don't put new mayor for banker they in name Bernard Jega. Ladies. Now Bernard Jega this country people them. Hotel they feel the banker. Now for they talk about the station so. Now as you that it put it for them. Au gars préfet. Elle est petite, c'est des una new monsieur le maire, naïdis, mairie de banque à des sous-country people. Wonderful kind matter, wonderful kind station as we have here they talk about and for the give it all the work we're supposed to do. Na bank at this the most fixed route. They explain them the only road for bank and na Bafan when they pass through bank and now for go for that side there for Bafusa. So they say they fix them. Bernard Jega where they put it so for here, say anyhow. Naï. And all team must work for that side to country people them for the monsieur le maire. Who remain for on camp to talk about how we so Andinga no send image them for ye. Say this so SDO, senior divisional officer for the prefect na de for Tuni. It tour round all he placed them for that side for on camp ladies. I say, monsieur le préfet dance Kuunga. A dance Kuungang, like how they be dance for take and win. Expo de Colancy de Sukaima. Wonderful palaver. I say, wonderful thing. Talk on that side for talk how it matter the way. A turn for the now. Visit place them, talk to me this way for do and how it matter they get for the happen for this country people in a so the situation. That place for Babu Chengale, or that one them too, we bang we Fongon, Fondomequet and all the other matter for that's the way they put it explain how situation a fit they take place so for place where they call them. See this so then now see Matu and Tatu them all them this can matter they talk now so they explain to what's supposed to happen for the so for the can Shifiri and can place them for the country people will talk now for this other chapter for Mimbo man security no the population don't talk in a bench skinner them they help the carry people they kill woman them move their soya move their part them for seeking can't run now this as if for that side they don't talk about them. See this week they meet up again another new body for woman where they don't can dump for them. How manage country people them? They see a bench skinner them. How when they carry woman in so turn now, that they work and now be complete for similar key woman, move their sex organ them, move their armpits and forbidden who contribute them. But be for their can soya level them. Then do how for that side for make sacrifice. So bench skinner them to the talks no be at them. Say this matter so it pass their level. As we talk about them for years so now other people put it inside BB motor and they call some so. Outside Cameroon, Côte d'Ivoire, although the catching for Ghana, Accra, Général de la Rue, don't turn as Général de Ngata. Charles Blé Goudé, ladies. Maybe they gather all people them against this man. I mean, for favor, for put them for back for Laurent Gbagbo. So Charles Blé Goudé na this country put them. So they call it Général de la Rue. Gather people them pass Mark, look up, Tawiri, where Mayo, or this canteen for this country people them. Can't get situation that Charles Blé Goudé that as they get and so they talk about the matter and they can issue them for things that can happen. Charles Blé Goudé, anyway, this don't catch now for Accra, Ghana, so and they see holy for the wait now till they go do before matter what the arise for the way fit the camp for level so country people then a kind situation can to read that for how it think then happen. So they call us Côte d'Ivoire this so. Send story for today BBC with country people them. See if we hear sheep goat they cry plenty, that means they don't carry them for go kill them. Thank you plenty, 3 years Shwebu. Thank you to Umar Saoudien for the singing. Country people them. Innocent Abeka Doctor Dagetan for me. Ebule Steph Ajax de Bonateki. Ask to see them all before the day with people they call them. So Oscar de Lumdi and then this other one in Tuling Mouth come on to Wood Isambunji Motapon. Country people they will talk about us Ugala with the Ketan Kumbati and then the other one in two. Thank you plenty various videos we say Francis Boyon. Big place that's in Nabakoko, I mean, placing for Banga Pongo, the country people them. As we talk about Fidel Teton John Code, the issue be there for corner, supervise and technically. Nadine Kube na ime ko face shine. If una see my back, bele there for front, alhamdulillah.